Now, before I jump into the actual course, I like to first of all give a lot of credit to an amazing book by Flight School, which is called Flight School Guide to Swift Codable. Now, a lot of examples in this particular course have been taken or inspired at least from this book, which is Flight School Guide to Swift Codable. Now, if you want to buy this book, I highly recommend if you are trying to learn about JSON. I mean, this book covers a lot more and it goes into a lot more detail than this particular course. But this book is also written by one of the very, very famous authors, Matt, who has spent the last 3 years as an Apple as technical writer, and he is very famous for his blog NS Hipster and libraries like AF Networking, LMO Fire, and so on. So highly recommend if you want to do a little bit more reading after the course. I highly recommend this particular book. I will be adding the link to this book as a resource. So go ahead and download the book, and I hope that you really enjoy the book.